I have had lots of patients ask me what I eat in a day. It's pretty much been the same thing. So let's take a look. I like to make my coffee the night before since I drink it cold. I use a collagen creamer with cashew and coconut milk in it. I pack my lunch with salad, coleslaw mix just for the cabbage already cut up. I like putting a red radish. If I eat one a day, it's a great prebiotic to keep my gut healthy. I do the same with the Brussels sprouts, slice it thin, another great thing to help your estrogen detoxification. And I put whatever protein I have. This was ground turkey with mushrooms from the night before. I put some sprouts on top and avocado for a healthy fat. And wild chips are the chicken chips that I like to use for a little bit of a crunch with very low carbs. And a little candied nut if I feel like I want something sweet. For dinner, I like the Sunbasket. They give you the recipe in an app or in there, so I'll make the protein. I sometimes feel like I need to add a little bit more, so I added some bonsai chickpea rice. Here's the finished product, and my guilty obsession is keto cookie dough.